Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to remove the system sensor remote strobe, and I might install the gentex commander 3 on here. So, I'm going to unscrew the screw. Alright. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove those 2 screws and the bracket. Alright, so since I installed the alarm, the bracket on, I'm going to go ahead and install the thing. I'll install this. Of course, it's really hard to do this. Make sure you to install this thing on here. And the other, you're going to put on the thing. And boom. All good to go. So as you can see, the alarm is actually wired up to the pull station, which is really nice. But without further ado, I might be connecting those to the battery and see how it's supposed to work. Alright, so I just figured out there's no batteries there because I think all my batteries are dead, but that's how you wire up the fire alarm system. And yes, I know how to put the bracket back in. Alright. Alright, but it's not gonna go off since there's no batteries. So that's how you wire up a fire alarm system. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe. You guys have a good day.